Welcome to Training Program. There are various ways to define profile in Etabs program, all of which we will explain. First method, go to Define menu and select Frame Section option. Perspective Frame window opens. Click on New Perspective Input button, so Frame Shape Frame opens. From default list, select Widest Flange option or any section you need. This is always standard in some countries and continents. For example, India, Europe, and Russia. We select European list. By selecting section required in design, we enter them into the design file to use them in a structural analysis. Enter 213 and 18 widest flange section by using Ctrl key. Thanks for watching video. Support us by subscribing to channel